dx of e power x. E power x. Differentiation of e power x is e power x. Integral of 1 by x dx. What is the formula? Integral of 1 by x dx. Log mod x plus c. Log mod x plus t. These two formulas only we can find out. One more formula, or you can use another method also, that also we will discuss here. F dash x upon f of x dx. F dash x means this denominator differentiation if you find in the numerator. This is directly you can do that, sir. F dash x by f of x dx formula. I said that when you close the differentiation term, this will be in the form of 1 upon f of x. So integral of 1 by x, again we are seeing that log mod x plus c. In place of x, what is there here? Log mod f of x plus c. This is directly you can use that. Otherwise, this is called, these two we will use in substitution method. This is directly method. Now solution, we see that, sir. So integral of e power x, the given one is integration e power x plus 1 dx. Now see here, simple, sir. Here if you find d by dx of e power x, what is there? You are finding in the numerator. Yes or no? You are finding in the numerator. So first of all, you do the direct method. What is the f of x? F of x is e power x plus 1. What is the f dash of x? What is the f dash of x? Is d by dx of f of x, f dash of x. D by dx of e power x, e power x. D by dx of constant, 0. This is f dash of x value. So if you substitute here, what you are getting? See that, sir? It is in the form of integral of f dash x upon f of x dx. Yes or no? The given question, e power x, f dash of x. F of x, e power x plus 1 dx. What is the formula? Log mod f of x plus c. So integral of e power x upon e power x plus 1 dx is log mod of e power x plus 1 plus c. This is a direct method, sir. Direct, if you remember the formula, you can go through this. If you find f dash x by f of x formula. Otherwise, now first what you are going to take, that method 2. I is equals to e power x upon e power x plus 1 dx. Put substitution only, no? Denominator you have to take it t. Now differentiate with respect to x. So what will get here? D by dx of e power x plus 1 is equals to d by dx of t. Now what will get here? D by dx of e power x. Already we discussed the formula. What is the formula? E power x. Okay. D by dx of e power x, e power x. D by dx of constant, you know the 0. Not writing m. dt by dx. dt by dx. If you cross multiplication, what will get here? Ex dx is equals to dt. Now these two values we are going to substitute in the given, right? What is that? Substitute in given. So what is given here? I is equals to integral of, directly I am writing, sir, e power x dx. What is e power x dx? dt upon e power x plus 1 value t. Now finally what you got? Integral of 1 by t dt. Which form we got it? We got the form integral of 1 upon x dx. What is the formula? Log mod x plus c. Log mod x plus c. So in that formula we are writing log mod x plus c. I is equals to log mod t plus c. What is a t? T is e power x plus 1 plus c. Both cases we got the same answer only now. See that, sir. So here you can keep the log, okay, you can keep the mod, no problem. Okay, this is our final answer. Clear all of it? And we'll discuss, right? Integral of 1 upon e power x minus 1 dx. See that, sir. Here if you observe in the previous one and this one, in the previous one what we have, in the numerator e power x is there, so d by dx of e power x, we can find that differentiation in the numerator, yes or no? But here no e power x in the numerator, yes or no? 1 upon e power x minus 1 dx is there. So here what we are going to do that, so some of the students they will take the common, or some of them they will multiply with e power minus x dx. So which one is here, you can go through that. Otherwise if you are confusing means better to take, our main intention is to get e power x in the numerator. Why d by dx of e power x, e power x we should find in the numerator? Because of that reason, we'll try directly. I am using the problem, right? So integral of solution I am writing, I is equals to, our given question is e power x minus 1 dx, e power x minus 1 dx. So for that what I am taking, e power x I am taking common. Then what will get, if you take e power x 1 minus 1 upon e power x dx. Any doubts, sir? Any doubt? No. Right. So here see that, sir. 1 upon e power x, it can be written as e power minus x, no? 1 upon e power x, it can be written as e power minus x, yes or no? So you can write it integral of this 1 upon e power x, you can write it e power minus x, e power minus x. 1 minus, in the bracket also one more 1 upon e power x, it can be written as e power minus x dx, sorry, e power minus x dx, e power minus x dx. See that we got e power minus x in the numerator. Now we can take the substitution, right? Put 1 minus e power minus x equal to t. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Now what will get here, d by dx of 1 minus e power minus x is equals to d by dx of t. Clear all of it? Now d by dx of constant 0 I am not writing, here minus is there, d by dx of e power minus x, e power minus x. Actually d by dx of, see that d by dx of e power x is e power x, d by dx of e power minus x, so we consider it as a x only, sir. D by, it is in the form of this only, no? So we will write same formula. But if x is there, this is the formula. In place of x, what is there? Minus x. Internal derivative of minus x is, d by dx of minus x is minus 1. So finally what will get? Minus e power minus x. This you should remember formula. No need to confuse. Okay. Now that's the reason minus I kept here, e power minus x. But is it x? No. Internal differentiation, what will get? Minus 1. Because of this reason. Clear? So here dt by dx. Now minus into minus plus e power minus x cross multiplication dx is equals to dt. Is equals to dt. So finally we got these two values. Substitute in given. Substitute in given. Now integral of, what is the e power minus x dx? Dt upon, what is the value of 1 minus e power minus x? T. Clear? We got this one is equals to integral of, it can be written as 1 by t dt. 1 by t dt. So what is the formula of integral of 1 by x dx? Just now we discussed that. Integral of 1 by x dx formula, 1 by x dx log mod x plus c, no, mod t plus c. But what is the t value in our question? 1 minus. So log of 1 minus e power minus x plus c. Right. Again we have to write that. What is the e power minus x? 1 upon e power x. So what are we are writing? Log of 1 minus 1 upon e power x plus c. So log of, if you do the LCM, e power x minus 1 upon e power x plus c. LCM is e power x. Clear all of you? Log of e power x minus 1 upon e power x plus c. You can keep like this. Otherwise you can use that log of x minus 5. So this is enough, sir. Okay. So this is the second one. Clear? Evaluate integral of 1 upon 1 plus e power x dx. So in the previous problem, what is it? 1 upon 1 minus e power x. Minus is it? 1 upon, I think so. The previous problem. Evaluate integral of 1 upon 1 plus e power x dx. Previous problem is there, no? 1 upon e power x minus 1 dx. Only the minus is changed, sir. Okay. Now formulas which we are using in this formula. First of all, d by dx of e power x. What is the formula? E power x. d by dx of e power x, e power x. What is the d by dx of e power minus x? So what will get here now? d by dx of e, it is in the form of e power x, e power minus x. But easy takes no, minus 1. So minus e power minus x. The reason I am explaining, but directly you can write it d by dx of e power x, e power x. d by dx of e power minus x is minus e power minus x. This minus internally differentiation. Now integral of 1 by x dx formula is log mod x plus c. Log mod x plus c. And in one property logarithm is there, minus of log of x upon y is there, means when you take the minus in the logarithm, the numerator will be denominator, denominator will be numerator. So if you write plus, if you are writing, the denominator and numerator will be interchange. The property is log of, suppose x log minus log x is there. How we are going to write? Log of x power minus 1. So log of x power minus 1, what you are getting? Log of 1 by x. Log of 1 by x. This reason, sir. See that, sir? 1 upon log x is there. 1 upon log x is there. If you take minus, that will be interchanging. See that? Again we got same thing. Yes or no? If minus is there, x. If you multiply the minus, these two will be reciprocal. X by 1 will be 1 by x. This reason, sir. Okay? Now, we will start the solution. Clear now, all of you? Now, solution. I is equals to integral of 1 upon 1 plus e power x dx. Right? So first of all, our main intention is, in order to get the numerator, we have to take e power x common. 1 upon e power x. These four problems are important, sir. So 1 upon e power x plus 1 dx. Already we discussed 1 upon e power x, it can be written as minus e power x. So here 1 upon e power x, e power minus x upon e power minus x again plus dx. So here we are using substitution method. Put e power minus x plus 1 is equals to t. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. D by dx of e power minus x plus 1 is equals to d by dx of t. Yes or no? Now d by dx of e power minus x. Already we have the formula d by dx of e power minus x minus e power minus x. So here what you are writing? Minus e power minus x. Constant 0 I am not writing. Here what you get? dt upon dx. dt upon dx. Now cross multiplication minus e power minus x dx is equals to dt. But here I am multiplying negative with minus on both sides. E power minus x dx equal to minus dt. Cleared all of you? Cleared all of you? So these two values we are going to substitute in the given. Substitute in given. Substitute in given. Now here what is our question? Integral of, directly I am substituting. So in this question e power minus x dx value is minus dt upon e power minus x plus 1 equal to t. See that, sir, e power minus x1 equal to t. This is our I, no? This is our I. So that value t. Same you will get it. But extra, what is the difference between there? There plus minus is there, we got plus. Here plus is there, minus we got it. Minus outside. 1 upon t dt. What is the t value? E power minus x plus 1. So substitute. Otherwise here first we are writing formula. Integral of 1 by x dx formula. Integral of 1 by x dx formula. 1 by x dx is log mod x plus c. Log mod x plus c. So here we are using minus log mod t plus c. In place of x, t is there. So integral minus outside. Log minus log mod t value. T value is e power minus x plus 1. E power minus x plus 1 plus c. So minus of log mod e power minus x, it can be written as e power x minus it can be written as 1 upon e power x. 1 upon e power x plus 1 plus c. Now here minus log mod, if you do the LCM, e power x 1 plus e power x plus c. So just now we discussed that in the logarithm, if minus is there, in the logarithm in front of minus is there, the numerator will be denominator, denominator will be numerator. If we interchange, then minus will be plus. So here what is there? Minus is there now. So I am going to interchange log mod e power x upon 1 plus e power x plus c. When you interchange, the minus will be plus. See that? Numerator, denominator, denominator, numerator. This is our final answer. I is equals to integral of 1 upon 1 plus e power x dx. What you observe, sir? In the previous problem and this problem, only the minus, plus minus. Clear? Same process, sir. Same process. First of all, d by dx of e power x should be get it. But is there any e power x? No. What you are going to take common? You are going to take common e power x. Why we are taking e power x common? In order to get the e power x in numerator. So if you take e power x here, what will get here? 1 upon e power x plus so dx. Why we are taking common? In order to get the e power x in numerator. So already just discussed that 1 upon e power x, you can write it e power minus x. Yes or no? E power minus x. So e power minus x upon e power minus x plus 1 dx. Now what we are going to do that? Substitution. For that put e power minus x plus 1 is equals to t. Differentiate with respect to x. I am writing directly d by dx of e power minus x, e power minus x. Is it x? No. Internal derivative of minus x, minus 1. D by dx of constant, 0. I am not writing. So here what will get here? dt by dx. You can check it's a previous same only. So here minus e power minus x dx is equals to dt. E power minus x dx equal to dt. But actually what we have e power x, so multiply with negative e power minus x dx is equals to minus dt. What I did here? I multiply negative on both sides. This will be positive, this will be negative. So e power minus x dx is equal e power minus x dx equal to minus dt, and e power of minus x plus 1 is equals to t. Substitute in given. Substitute in given. Now what will get here? Substitute in given. Integral of, so e power minus x dx is minus dt here. E power x minus dx equal to minus dt upon t. Minus dt upon t. So it can be written as minus outside 1 upon t dt. Here integral of 1 upon t dt value log mod t plus c. So minus log mod t value how much? E power minus x plus 1 plus c. So minus log mod e power minus x it can be written as 1 upon e power x plus 1 plus c. So here minus log mod LCM 1 plus e power x upon e power x plus 1c. Evaluate integral of 1 upon e power x plus e power 2x dx. This in this one, fourth problem, sir. So there is a relation, the previous problem and this problem. That's why the continuation will be there. Now let I am taking I 1 upon e power x e power 2x dx. Now see that, sir, in this one I am going to take e power x common in the denominator. 1 plus e power x dx. Clear all of you? 1 upon e power x times 1 plus e power x. In the previous two problems also we took the e power x common. Do you remember? Now here this can be written as, without changing this one I am writing 1 upon e power x minus 1 upon 1 plus e power x dx. Any doubt? Any doubt? If you have a doubt you can check it here, sir. What I write here? 1 upon e power x 1 upon 1 plus e power x, right? If you do the LCM, see here, if you do the LCM, what is LCM? E power x times 1 plus e power x. Two different terms are there. We have to write product. Now, so e power 1 plus e power x, here 1 e power x cancel. What is the remaining? 1 plus e power x. That you have to multiply with this one. So what will you get? 1 plus e power x minus. Here for doing this one, 1 plus e power x, 1 plus e power x get cancel. E power x will be there. E power x into 1. So here plus e power x minus e power x cancel. Finally what you got? 1 upon e power x times 1 plus e power x. Clear, I think so, all of you? So what I did here, this is the given, this it can be written as like this. Clear, all of you? Now no doubt. Now come to this. Here apply separate integration. Integral of 1 upon e power x dx. Integral of 1 upon 1 plus e power x dx. Clear, sir? Now it can be written as integral of e power minus x dx. Integral of 1 upon 1 plus e power x dx. Clear? Now what is the formula of integral of e power x dx? E power x dx, e power x plus c. Integral of e power minus x dx formula you know. E power minus x, that internal differentiation we are going to divide. In the integration divide, in the differentiation multiplication. Do you remember, sir? So here minus e power minus x plus c. Minus x plus c. Clear? Now here what will get here? Minus e power minus x minus. So integral of 1 upon 1 plus e power x dx. This is the previous problem answer. Please check it. I am writing by seeing the previous problem. So see that, sir. What is our previous problem? I is equals to integral of 1 plus e power x. We have done these problems in the previous. So what is our answer? What we got the answer? See that. So see that, sir. What is the previous answer? Integral of 1 upon 1 plus e power x dx formula. Log mod e power x upon 1 plus e power x plus c. That only I am writing. E power x upon 1 plus 1 plus e power x plus c. 1 plus e power x plus c. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now minus e power minus x minus, here if you minus is there, no? If you in front of the logarithm, if minus is there, you can interchange numerator as a denominator, denominator as a numerator. If you write plus log mod 1 plus e power x upon e power x plus c. This is our final answer. Thank you.